Hey, twin. Yeah. Holla at my people. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know where you at, but hey, I'm on a wreck scene, baby.
Hey, I'm up one though.
I'm up.
No, yeah, you up. You
Up one. Up one. A car then ran over this motorcycle. The motorcycle all up under the car. You know what I'm saying? But it ain't nothing we can't handle. I know y'all be want to see what really be going on out here.
I don't think they're going to be able to get it.
They can't get it, but guess who can? Me. I'm finna take care of this. I'll be back with y'all in a minute. I don't know how to turn this shit off. Hey, like 5 in the morning, downtown on 5th Street. I'm gonna go and give me one. It's been one crazy weekend, man. I ain't gonna even lie to you. Gotta get this rollover. I'm gonna go and do what I do. Watch me work now. Boy, tried to run. Hey, they gonna get you. Hey, they made my job easy. I was gonna put the cable on it and flip it back over. But I guess they got it.
Alright.
What happened?
Car going the wrong way, ran the red light. I don't know if you can run a red light, run in the wrong direction. They got T-boned by a dump truck.
This light right here, but the police says you can't run a red light when you're going the wrong way. So he was coming this way. Truck was going that way. Boom! Hit him, flipped him. Got hit by that right there. Flipped him. Then he tried to run. He tried to run. Over there in that parking lot over there. They brought him out of there. Here we are reporting live from downtown Austin, where we have a gentleman who ran a red light and got flipped over by a trash truck. But have no worries, because those guys called out the bits, 969 towing, and those guys are here. They're always on their toes. So we'll be back with you guys shortly. Who we don't see on the scene, that's tow truck twin. He's nowhere to be found on this one, guys, but maybe on the next one he'll be a little quicker. But we have Darius here, you know, and he's a pretty good guy. He's pretty tough out there on those wreck scenes, you know what I mean? But tow truck twins, nowhere. Tow truck twins, nowhere to be found on this one. Alrighty, guys. Oh my gosh. This one here is a tragedy. There's blood everywhere. You might want to be careful, Darius, with this one.
But sometimes you gotta call the second best. It's 5 in the morning. We got one in between the guardrail. We gotta shut 35 down for a few minutes, but we're gonna get her done.
Hey.
We're gonna get her done. Huh?
But who is the second best?
You. I called you. You the second best.
No.
Don't get it twisted. Come on, don't do that.
Hey,
Don't.
hey.
It's too early.
If you was the first best, you wouldn't even have to call me.
Now I say sometimes you need a little help.
Hey, get out of my way, bro.
It's the problem.
Go to the yard, baby. Come on. Always remember, we always on our toes. No job too big or small. Get it all.